Hello and good day to you. You're once again welcome to MES Constructions, where we discuss all things engineering, architecture and 3D modeling. Do you know that in Blender, you can create holes on your mesh in less than 1 minute? Add a cylinder to your scene. Take this cylinder and make it nothing, just like it is, set it to nothing. You can also choose end gun to have this space created on top and below. I would like to make it empty so that you can see from the outside what's on the inside. Go to edge select mode, create loop cuts. Give your loop cuts like, let's say 5 or 4. Let's give it 5 cuts. In edge select mode, select each alternate edge because we want to delete these edges in order to make our hole to be bigger. You could also do this by controlling the number of edges that your cylinder has initially. So now we're going to be dissolving these edges and we have this cylinder like this. What we need to do now is we are going to go to face. We select all the faces, then we poke faces. So once we poke faces, you see that we have our poke faces here. We go to vertex select mode, then we click on the top as shown and the bottom as shown. And after that, then we go into our vertex select option up here, then we bevel vertices. And once you bevel vertices, you see that you have this, but this is too big. We don't want it to be this big, so we can give it 180 and you can make the segment 6 or you can just increase it. This is not the default, it has been adjusted because this is a project we've worked on before. So we can leave this as 6 right here or 5, but I think I prefer to leave it at 6. And the profile shape is usually 0.5 by default, but because this is a project I've once worked on, that's why you have 0.1 here, which is going to be the setting that will make you to achieve this circle here as a bevel. And once you've beveled, you can delete faces. And once you delete faces, you go to your object mode, you see that you have created your hole successfully on your cylinder. And you can repeat this for other shapes as well. Now, in order to make this look even better, you can decide to shade smooth. And once you shade smooth, you see that it's looking a lot better. And then you could add a modifier to it, an array modifier in the Z direction, clear the X direction. And once you add an array modifier and you apply it, you can have your hole created. You make the counts as many as you want, and then you have this nice looking cylinder which has holes in it all through. And that's how you get to do this in less than 1 minute. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more contents like this and hit your notification bell to be the first to see our latest tutorial videos on Blender for 3D modeling and Blender for architecture. Thanks for watching and bye for now.